Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to the maths class. I am Soumya, your maths teacher of Dr.Besant school. How are you children? Are you all fine and healthy? Good. I hope you are fine at home. Okay children, today we are going to discuss you some of the questions of the model questions of the revision. Okay, model questions of the FA1 exams as the revision. Okay children, everyone get ready along with your revision book. I already given you the sum of the models. Get ready children. Are you ready? Shall I start the class? Good. See, on the concept of circle and its parts, some of the problems, some of the questions I already given, and the remaining, and the next one onwards, you have to note down first what the question is. The diameter of the circle is the diameter of the circle is the diameter of a circle is its longest dash. Its longest dash. That is the question. Longest. Options are chord. Option B is center. And option C is radius. And option D is circumference. Circumference. See children, this is the circle and this is the center, the line that passing through the center. This is called as diameter. Okay, now all these are the chords. Okay, isn't it? Okay, all these are chords. Means the diameter is the longest chord of the circle. The diameter is the longest center? No. The diameter is the longest radius? No. Is the diameter the longest circumference? No. The diameter is what? The longest chord of the circle. If you don't know perfect answer, once check all the options. Once you have to check the remaining options also. Okay, then you will get the exact perfect answer. Okay. Now what is the answer here? The diameter of a circle is its longest chord. Here chord is the A option. That's why you should write A in the answer box. A. Okay. The next question. See what the next question is. Diameter of a circle is the diameter of a circle is 14 centimeters. Then its radius is dash. Then its radius is dash. That is the question. Diameter value is given here and asked the radius value. 6 centimeters is the A option, B option is 7 centimeters, and C option is 4 centimeters, and D option is 2 centimeters. Now check children. Diameter is the 14 centimeters. Means D is given here as the 14 centimeters. What is the radius value? Radius means half of the diameter. We already know that one or not? We already know that one. What that one? Relation between the radius and the diameter. Diameter is the double of the radius and radius is the half of the diameter. Here diameter value is 14 centimeters given. What is the radius value? That is asked here. Radius is the half of the diameter. What is the diameter value here? 14 centimeter. What is the half of the 14? What is the half of the 14 children? Division by 2. Check the 2 table. How many 2s are 14? 7 means half of the 14 is 7 centimeter. You can write 14 centimeter divided by 2. You should write like this also. But all these are the multiple choice questions. Very simple number is there. That's why you have to check the 2 table. How many 2s are 14? What is the half of the 14 centimeters? Here the half of the 14 centimeter is 7 centimeters. That's why 7 centimeters is the answer. You should write, put the tick on the 7 centimeters directly. What is the 7 centimeter option? 7 centimeter is the B option. This is the correct answer. That's why you should write B in the answer box. Okay, B. 7 centimeter is the correct answer here. Next. See one more question like this. Diameter of diameter of a circle is 12 centimeters. Then its radius is dash. Can you say, children, what is the answer? Radius is dash. Diameter of the circle here 12 centimeters is given. Again, the options are 6 centimeters A, B is 7 centimeters, C is 4 centimeters, and D is 2 centimeters. Diameter D equal to 12 centimeters is given here. And what is the radius value asked? Radius is the half of the diameter. Diameter means full of the circle. Radius means half. Means half of the diameter. What is the half of 12 centimeters? Half means what? Division by 2. Means we have to check the 2 table. How many 2s are 12? Half of the 12 is 6 centimeters. Means 6 radius is 6 centimeters here. Simply you have to check the 2 table. If we get the diameter value, if we want the radius value, you check the 2 table. Okay. Here 12 centimeters is the diameter. What is the half of the 12 is? 6. Means 6 centimeters is the answer. Which option is the 6 centimeters? Here. A is the 6 centimeters. That's why A is the correct answer. Have you understood, children? How to calculate the radius value? If you know the diameter value, if you want radius, you have to do the division by 2, means half. If we know the radius value and we want to calculate the diameter value, means we have to multiply with 2. Okay? You have to keep these two things for solving these problems. See the next questions. For the next question, note down, children. If you are writing slowly, make the video pause. After completion of the writing, again on the video. For the next question is, see, I will give the one-word questions also, model for you, for getting the idea. I will give the one-word questions. Are all the radii of a circle equal in length? Equal in length. That is the question. What the question here is, children? Are all the radii of a circle equal in length? First understand the question. All the radii means plural of radius is radii. See, this is the circle and this is the center. This is one radius. Why? Because the line segment drawn between the point on the center to the point on the circle to the center. This is one radius and this is another radius. 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 All these are the radii. Now all are equal in length. All are equal in length. Why? Because the center is the fixed point and which is the same distance from the all the points. Means the distance between center to all the points on the circle are equal. Means all the radii of the circle are equal in length. Means what the answer here? S. We should write the answer as S. All the radii of a circle equal in length. S is the answer here. Okay. See the next question. What the next question is? What the length of the circle is called as? See, children, listen carefully. What the question is? What the length of the circle is called as? What the length of the circle? This is called as. This is the length of the circle. This is called as. Very good. Circumference. What is the length of the circle is called as? Circumference. That is the next question. You should practice the spellings also, children. Circumference, concentric circles, diameter. So many are doing mistakes. In the interaction class also so many did the mistake of the spellings. That's why once practice the spellings also. Difficult spellings you have to practice. For the next question is, what the length of the circle is called as? What the length of a circle is called as? Circle is called as. What the length of the circle is called as? Circumference. You should write circumference as the answer. Answer is circumference. Note down, children. Note down. The diameter of a circle is its longest chord. Diameter of a circle is 4 centimeters. Then radius is dash. Means half of 4 not 14. 14 centimeters. Then its radius is half of 14 is 7 centimeters. Is the correct answer. Next question is diameter of a circle is 12 centimeters. Then its radius is half of the 12. Means 6 centimeters is the correct answer. Are all the radii of a circle equal in length? Yes. What the length of the circle is called as? The length of the circle is called as circumference. Over. Shall I rub the board, children? Good. Next question. See the next question. What is the next question is? See, what the next question is? Which instrument from the geometry box can be used to draw a circle? Which instrument we are using for drawing the circle? Now only I have shown. Sorry, in the previous video I have shown. Which instrument that one? Compass. Good. You should write as compass. What the next question is? Which instrument from the geometry box? Which instrument? Which instrument from the geometry box? From the geometry box can be used to draw the circle? Can be used to draw the circle? Draw the circle. Which instrument, children? Compass. Compass is we are using to draw the circle. That's why you should write the answer as compass. Write as COMPASS. Compass. Practice all the spellings. Don't forget, children. Practice for at least 10 times. 10 times each one. Concentric circles, circumference, compass, chord, diameter, radius. All the hard words you have to practice for 10 times. Okay? See, what is the next question? See, very interesting question. What is used to tighten the compass and for the movements of its arms? Hinge. Very good. I already shown you in the previous video. Hinge is used to tighten the compass and for the movements of the arms also. See, what the next question is? What is used? What is used to tighten the compass? Tighten the compass and for the movements of its two arms. Movements of its two arms. Movement of its two arms. Which part is that one? Hinge. I already explained you in the parts of the compass topic. Hinge. H-I-N-G. Hinge. Hinge is used to tighten the compass and for its movements of its two arms. And which part of the compass we are using to keep the pencil? Can you say, children, which part of the compass can we use to keep the pencil? Hold the pencil. In that word only there. Very good. Somebody already said that one. Pencil holder. What? Pencil holder is used to hold the pencil to draw the circle. Okay. Hinge is used to tighten the compass and for the movements of the two arms. Okay. Next question. That is the next question. Which part of the compass holds the pencil? Which part of the compass? Which part of the compass holds the pencil, holds the pencil. That is the next question. Which part holds the pencil? Pencil holder. Answer is pencil holder. Pencil holder holds the pencil. Okay. See, next question. See, in the previous problems, I already given the diameter value and asked the radius value. Now I am giving the radius value. We have to find out the diameter value. That is the next question. What the next question is? If the radius of the circle is, if the radius of the circle is, if the radius of the circle is 2 centimeters, then find its diameter. Find its diameter. See children, diameter is the double of the radius. Here the radius value is 2 centimeters, means r equal to 2 centimeters given. Diameter value is what asked? Diameter is the 2r, means 2 into 2 centimeters. 2 2s are 4 centimeters is the answer. Simply, if we know the radius value, if we want the diameter value, we have to simply multiply with the 2. Here 2 centimeters is the given radius value. Diameter is 2 2s are 4 centimeters. Very good. If the diameter radius value is 3 centimeters, what will be the diameter value? 2 3s are 6 centimeters. If the radius value is 4 centimeters, what will be the diameter value? 2 4s are 8 centimeters. If the radius value is 5 centimeters, what will be the diameter value? 2 5s are 10 centimeters. If you know the two table, you can calculate the diameter value very easily. Multiplication with 2 only. Okay. See what the answer here is 4 centimeters. Radius is 2 centimeters. What is the diameter value is 4 centimeters. See the next question. If the radius value is 10 centimeters, what the next question is? If the radius of the circle is, if the radius of the circle is 10 centimeters, then find its diameter. Then find its diameter. That's the next question. Say children, the radius value is 10 centimeters I have given now. What will be the diameter value? 2 10s are 20 centimeters. Very good children. Answer is 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters is the correct answer. Okay. Note down children. If you are writing slowly, make the video pause. Again after completion of the writing, again on the video. Over. Okay. Till now we have discussed the circle and its parts concept, and I have given some example question on this topic. Okay. Circle and its parts. One more question is there. What are the circles with same center and different radii values called as? I will write that question also on the board. What the next question is? Circles with same center and different radii values are called as? Very good. Concentric circles. We will observe the concentric circles when we cut the beetroot, and when we drop a pebble in water, we will observe the concentric circles. Circles with same center and different radii values, and different radii values are called as dash. Same center, different radii values, concentric circles. So many times I explained you that concept. Concentric circles is the correct answer. concentric circles. Circles with same center and different radii values are called as C. These are the concentric circles. Sorry, circles are not good. I'm drawing again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Same center, different radii values. These are the concentric circles. Okay. This is the last question of the circle and its parts concept. Okay. Our next concept is what? Symmetry. Do you remember or not? What is the next concept? Reflection and symmetry. We already know the reflection topic and the symmetry also. What is reflection and what is symmetry? Do you remember or forget? Remember what is reflection? When we will see the reflections? Good. When we see in the mirror, we will get the reflection or not? We will get the reflection. When we see in the water also we will get the reflection. And oil also we will get the reflection. And shiny surfaces, yeah, we will get the reflections in the shiny surfaces also. In the interaction class, so many said in laptop, TV, you are watching mobile, so many said that we are getting the reflections. In those also, ma'am, so many said like that. All those also comes in the under the shiny surfaces. For mobiles, TV and screens, all these are the shiny surfaces only. All this comes in the shiny surfaces only. We will observe the reflections in water, oil, mirror and shiny surfaces. In all these things we will get the reflections. Okay. Now what is the, and let's see the, how many types of images are there? Water image and mirror image. Mirror image means when we get the reflection in the mirror, that is called as the mirror image. Means if we have the object like this, we will get the reflection like this. Okay. This is the mirror image. And water image means we will get it down like this. We will get down. This is the water image. N, yeah. See, this is and this. Okay, this is the water image. When we see the water, we will get the reflection down. Means this is the water image. When see in the mirror, we will get the reflection beside. Means this is the mirror image. This is mirror image and this is the water image. Okay, these are the basics of the reflection. Now coming to symmetry. Main concept is the symmetry here. Okay, what is symmetry, children? Can you say? What is symmetry? Symmetry. When we keep the reflection on the object or the image must be fulfilled. Means the image must be fulfilled. Means fully. We will get the full image. What that is called as the symmetry. Simply, if we make the object into two parts in the middle, the both are the reflections to each other. That is called as symmetry. For example, observe this tree. See, if we make this tree into two parts like this, both are same or not? Both are reflections to each other. See, here curve is there, here also same curve. Here same curve is there, here same curve is there. Means both the two parts are reflections to each other. This process, this is called as symmetry, or these are called as symmetrical objects. Okay, have you understood, children? When we divide the object into two parts equally, both the parts must be reflections to each other. That is called as the symmetry. See one more tree. I am drawing one more tree for your understanding. Now can you say, children, is this a symmetry? Is this a symmetry? Can we draw the line like this? No. Why? Because here small curve is there, here big curve is there. Means these two are not reflections to each other. Means this is not a symmetrical object. We know we can't draw the line. See, this line which divides the object into two parts equally, that line is called as line of symmetry. What that line is called as, children? Line of symmetry. The line which divides the object into two equal parts, reflections to each other, those parts must be, that is called as the line of symmetry. This dotted line, this is called as the line of symmetry here. Okay. Now see, children, can we divide the tree like this only, vertical wise only? Why can't we do horizontal? Can we do two parts horizontal also? Now check children, both the parts are reflections to each other. Here leaves will be there. Here stem is there. Both the parts are reflections to each other. No. Means this horizontal line, we can't draw the line of symmetry horizontal. This is called a horizontal line of symmetry and this is called a vertical line of symmetry. Actually, the line which is vertical, top to bottom, that line of symmetry is called as vertical line of symmetry. The line which is horizontal means left to right or right to left, that is called as a horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, now this tree has a vertical line of symmetry. Correct. This has a vertical line of symmetry. Vertical line of symmetry. This tree has vertical line of symmetry. Good. Now coming to horizontal line of symmetry. Horizontal line of symmetry. See children, is this tree has a horizontal line of symmetry? Just imagine, if we draw the line in the middle like this, horizontal wise, both the parts are equal or not? Here in this case, here leaves are there, here stem is there, means both the parts are not reflections to each other, means this tree does not contain the horizontal line of symmetry. This tree contains only vertical line of symmetry. Why? Because we will draw the line like this, both two parts are reflections to each other. That's why this tree has the vertical line of symmetry only. It does not contain the horizontal line of symmetry. Understand children? Now we will check the slant line of symmetry also. Slant means what? Like this. This is the slant line of symmetry. Is this tree contain the slant line of symmetry? These are leaves. This is some part is leaves and some part is stem. Means this tree does not contain the slant line of symmetry also. For your understanding, I am drawing the line children. No need to draw the line. First you have to check if the line is there like that, if horizontal wise or slant wise or vertical wise, is the both the parts are reflections or not, you have to check first. If both the parts are looking like a reflection, then you have to draw the line. Understand children? This tree does not contain the slant line of symmetry also. Slant line of symmetry also. It does not contain the slant line of symmetry also. It only contains the vertical line of symmetry. Okay children, have you understood the concept of the symmetry? Vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry and slant line of symmetry. Okay, now check with some more examples also. For example, triangle. Now coming to triangle. If we draw the triangle, how many line of symmetry can we draw? Just check. I am using this book for. See, if we divide the triangle like this, both the parts are reflections to each other. Observe children. Both the parts are reflection, means this triangle contains the vertical line of symmetry. Now check, if we draw the line at the middle, both the parts are reflections to each other. No, this part is big and this part is small. See, means we can't draw the horizontal line of symmetry through the triangle. Now check the slant line also. Slant line also we does not draw the through the triangle. Means this triangle contains only one line of symmetry. Only one line of symmetry. Now check one pencil. See this? This is a pencil. Okay. Now how many lines of symmetry can we draw? If we draw the line vertical wise, both the parts are reflections to each other or not? Both the parts are reflections to each other. Means the pencil contains vertical line of symmetry. Now check the horizontal line. If we draw the line horizontal, both the parts are reflections to each other. No, means it does not contain the horizontal line of symmetry. If we draw the line like this, both the parts are reflections to each other. No, means it does not contain the slant line of symmetry also. Means the pencil contains only vertical line of symmetry. One line of symmetry only contains. What that line? Vertical line. One line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. Okay. Now coming to sharpener. See, this is a sharpener. Okay. Now check children. Is this sharpener contain the horizontal line of symmetry? If we divide the sharpener into two parts horizontal wise, both the parts are not reflections to each other. Now coming to vertical wise. If we draw the vertical line like this, both the parts are reflections to each other. Here also not there means it does not contain any line of symmetry, means no line of symmetry. No line of symmetry. No line of symmetry. Now take one paper, one piece of paper. Is this a paper? Yeah. This looking like a paper or not? Yeah. Some good. Okay. Now, if we draw the horizontal line like this, both the parts are reflections to each other. Means this paper contains the horizontal line of symmetry. If we divide the paper like this, both the parts are reflections to each other or not? Both the parts are reflections to each other. Means this paper contains horizontal line of symmetry and the vertical line of symmetry. Means it contains more than one line of symmetry. Means some objects have no line of symmetry. Some objects may have the one line of symmetry. Some objects may have the more than one line of symmetry. Okay. Now coming to the alphabets, you can check for the alphabets also. For example, V. If we draw the vertical line, both the parts are reflections to each other. Both the parts are reflections to each other. Means V contains the vertical line of symmetry. Now check horizontal line. If we draw the horizontal line, both the parts are reflections to each other. No, means V does not contain the horizontal line of symmetry. Like this, you have to check for each and everything. Okay, for A, see it. If we draw the horizontal line, both are not reflections to each other. If we draw the vertical line, both are reflections to each other. Means A contains the vertical line of symmetry. Like this, you have to draw the line of symmetry for the given objects. That is the concept of the symmetry. Okay. And what are the examples of the reflection and the symmetry concept? I will give you in the next video. Okay, children. Practice each and every concept and each and every multiple choice questions. Also, all the questions you have to practice more and more. Don't waste the time, children. Exam will be there. Be serious about the exams. Okay. In the next video, I will explain the model questions on this concept, reflection and the symmetry. Until then, bye bye, children. Thank you.